family, 가족, 가족. family member, 식구, 식구. father, 아버지, 아버지. dad, 아빠, 아빠. mother, 어머니, 어머니. mom, 엄마, 엄마. parents, 부모님, 부모님. grandparents, 조부모님, 조부모님. grandmother, 할머니, 할머니. grandfather, 할아버지, 할아버지. child, 자식, 자녀, 자식, 자녀. son, 아들, 아들. daughter, 딸, 딸. grandchildren, 손주, 손주. grandson, 손자, 손자. granddaughter, 손녀, 손녀. twins, 쌍둥이, 쌍둥이. only child, 외동, 외동. only daughter, 외동딸, 외동딸. only son, 외동아들, 외아들, 외동아들, 외아들. siblings, 남매, 남매. brothers, 형제, 형제. sisters, 자매, 자매. the eldest, 맞이, 첫째, 맞이, 첫째. the eldest daughter, 맏딸, 장녀, 맏딸, 장녀. the eldest son, 맏아들, 장남, 맏아들, 장남. if you're a woman, older sister, 언니, 언니. if you're a man, older sister, 누나, 누나. if you're a woman, older brother, 오빠, 오빠. if you're a man, older brother, 형, 형. the youngest, 막내, 막내. younger sister, 여동생, 여동생. younger brother, 남동생, 남동생. relative, 친척, 친척. mom's side, 외가, 외가. grandmother and grandfather on mom's side, 외할머니, 외할아버지, 외할머니, 외할아버지. aunt on mom's side. 이모, 이모. uncle on mom's side. 삼촌, 삼촌. uncle's wife. 숙모, 숙모. nephew or niece. 조카, 조카. cousin. 사촌, 사촌. dad's side. 친가, 친가. grandmother and grandfather on dad's side. 친할머니, 친할아버지, 친할머니, 친할아버지. aunt on dad's side. 고모, 고모. dad's brother who's not married. 삼촌, 삼촌. when dad's older brother gets married. 큰아버지, 큰아버지. when dad's younger brother gets married. 작은아버지, 작은아버지. marriage, 결혼, 결혼. husband, 남편, 남편. wife, 아내, 아내. husband and wife. 부부, 부부. husband's dad. 시아버지, 시아버지. husband's mom. 시어머니, 시어머니. wife's dad. 장인어른, 장인어른. wife's mom. 장모님, 장모님. daughter-in-law. 며느리, 며느리. son-in-law. 사위, 사위. stepfather. 새아버지, 새아버지. stepmother. 새어머니, 새어머니. older stepbrother. if you're a woman. 의붓 오빠, 의붓 오빠. if you're a man. 의붓 형, 의붓 형. older stepsister. if you're a woman. 의붓 언니, 의붓 언니. if you're a man. 의붓 누나, 의붓 누나. younger stepbrother or stepsister. 의붓 동생, 의붓 동생. I'm an only child. Since I don't have any older sisters or brothers, I often feel lonely. 저는 외동이에요. 누나나 형이 없어서 외로울 때가 많아요. I'm the eldest, and I only have 2 younger brothers. I wish I had a younger sister. 저는 마지인데 남동생만 2명 있어요. 그래서 여동생이 있으면 좋겠어요. I'm the youngest. My older brother is a businessman, and my older sister is a student. 저는 막내예요. 오빠는 회사원이고 언니는 학생이에요. I'm going to meet my relatives on my mom's side this holiday. 이번 명절에 외가 친척들을 만날 거예요. As the whole family members get together, I think of my grandfather and grandmother who have passed away. 온 식구가 모이니까 돌아가신 할아버지, 할머니 생각이 나요. My uncle got married last year, so I have to call him 작은 아빠 now. 삼촌이 작년에 결혼을 해서 이제 작은 아빠라고 불러야 해요. I married my wife last year. My wife and I don't have any children yet. 저는 아내와 작년에 결혼했어요. 저희 부부는 아직 자녀는 없어요. I'm going to the amusement park with my niece and nephew on Children's Day. 어린이날에 조카들과 함께 놀이공원에 갈 거예요. My aunt had a baby recently. I have a new cousin now. 고모가 최근에 아기를 낳아서 저에게 새로운 사촌이 생겼어요. My mother-in-law thinks of me as her daughter, not as a daughter-in-law. 저희 시어머니는 며느리인 저를 딸처럼 생각하세요. For the Parents' Day, I bought a gift for my mother-in-law and father-in-law. 어버이날을 맞아 장모님과 장인어른을 위한 선물을 샀어요. My dad got remarried. I have a stepmom and a stepsister now. 아빠가 재혼을 했어요. 저에게 새엄마와 의붓 언니가 생겼어요.